Ni hao. Hi, my name is Alan Noel, Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Vestal Lighting here in Nigeria. We specialize in signage, and one of the signs we love to go into is neon signs. I traveled to China in 2013 and I bought loads of equipment of neon signs and neon material.
Here's our acrylic vacuum forming machine we purchased from Yuantong Century in 2013. This machine is used for making 3D acrylic letters and signs. It is very easy to operate and highly efficient. Here are some of the samples of signs we've manufactured with the acrylic forming vacuum machine. The block letter, as you can see here, and the embossed letter. Here's our BJD-1326 CNC router, used for cutting wood, acrylic, and stainless steel. It is operated and controlled by a computer. All the machines we have purchased from Yuantong Century are of top quality. Our lead times for manufacturing signs has been greatly reduced. Also, the after-sales service is very commendable. I will be purchasing more equipment from Yuantong Century in years to come.